In this video, you will learn how to generate this radar chart in Microsoft Excel. You can see here I have generated this radar chart using this set of data. It is the data regarding the student performance in different subjects. Each line shows the performance of a single student. For example, this green line shows the performance of Ahmed in different subjects which are math, physics, chemistry, biology and history. Similarly, this red line shows the performance of Adil and other one shows the performance of Ali. So let's learn how to generate this graph using this set of data.
If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos.
In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data from previous sheet. So firstly, I will select this data. Remember that you have to select this cell blank to generate this graph. So I will select this data, go to Insert tab, and here you will find the option of radar chart. Click here, and here is the radar chart. There are two options. First one is the without marker and second one is with marker. I will choose without marker. I will click on it. So we have generated this chart. Now we will conditionally format it to look so that it look more attractive. Firstly, I will use these handles to resize it. After that, I will select this one, write title in formula bar, for example, student performance. Press enter. Go to home tab, and from here I will bold it and change its color to black and change its font size to 20. After that, I will select this legend, bold it and 12, change color to black. Now right click on it, go to format legend option, and I want to place it here, so I will select right, next select this one. You can see the minimum value is about 4, so I will right click, go to format axis option. Now I want to change this minimum value to 4. Now I will change major and minor unit. I will change major unit to 1.0 and minor unit to 0.2. Next, select this one, go to fill line option and change its color to this one so it look more clear. Secondly, I will again click on it. I will change its font size to 12 and bold with black color. Now go to this line option and select this solid line. I will show it again, right click, go to format axis option, and in fill and line option you will find the option of line, and from here you will select solid lines, and you can adjust color using this option. Now you can see here the other lines appeared here. After that, I will select this values and bold, 12 and black color. Now I will select these lines to change their color. This one shows the Ahmed. I will right click and go to format data series option. I will place it here and go to fill and line option. Here you will find the option of line. If you want to insert a marker, you can use this option. If you click on it and again go to this marker option, you will find the option. For example, I will click on built-in and I can change its type and size from using these option. For instance, I don't want to insert any marker, so I will select none. I will again go to line option and I want to change the color of line to green and change its width to 2 pt. Now select other line and I want to change its color to red. Now change its width to 2 pt. Next select third one and change its color to purple and change its width to 2 pt. Now you can see here we have completed the formatting of this graph. This graph is looking very attractive. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.